Hello kids, this is your mentor Neetu. So we are doing chapter 12 simple interest of class 5. So let's start. So you can see one picture over here. So there is one person who's asking for money from another person. So it means sometimes we need money, we borrow money or we lend money. So in that case we use interest. It will be more clear when we will do this chapter. So see how to do it. So in interest we take three terms. One is principal, one is rate, one is time, and then we find simple interest. So, what happens when you put your money in the bank? The bank keeps your money and it is called the principal, for which it pays you some amount. So, the amount that bank pays you for using your money is called the interest. आजकल सबका अपना बैंक अकाउंट होता है, सब बच्चों का, पेरेंट्स का. So we keep our money in the bank and bank pays us interest. इंटरेस्ट क्या होता है जब मैं एक्स्ट्रा मनी, सपोज मैंने 5,000 डिपॉजिट किए बैंक में फॉर सम टाइम पीरियड, सो आफ्टर दैट टाइम पीरियड आई विल गेट सम एक्स्ट्रा मनी फ्रॉम द बैंक. वो जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी है दैट इज द इंटरेस्ट, राइट? सो it is given here at the end of the year you will find a larger amount in your bank which will be the sum of the principal and the interest. जब आप थोड़े टाइम बाद अपना देखेंगे बैलेंस कितना है बैंक में, बैंक अकाउंट में, तो व्हाट विल यू सी, आपका अमाउंट, आपका जो मनी है, इट वुड बी बिगर, इट वुड बी ग्रेटर बिकॉज इट इज द सम ऑफ प्रिंसिपल एंड इंटरेस्ट. आपने जो डिपॉजिट किया दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल, बैंक ने जो आपको एक्स्ट्रा पे किया दैट इज द इंटरेस्ट, और उन दोनों का सम बन गया हमारा अमाउंट. तो सम हो गया, इट मींस इट वुड बी बिगर, ग्रेटर, ज्यादा मनी हो जाएगी. सो the formula for simple interest is as follows. अब बैंक कैसे इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करेंगे? So simple interest equals to P into R into T upon 100. The rate of interest R is always given as percent per annum or per year. So time is always expressed in days, months or years. So now example, we are doing this example, it will be more clear to you. What interest would I get if I put rupees 500 in a bank for 1 year at the rate of interest 10% per annum? This money is principal. जितना हमने deposit किया, that is the principal. So P is rupees 500, time is 1 year, and the rate is 10%. So you will write P equals rupees 500, R equals to 10% per annum, and time is 1 year. So you will apply the formula simple interest equals to P into R into P by 100. Just substitute the values over here. Cut the zeros. You are getting rupees 50. So simple interest is rupees 50. So now exercise 12.1 is based on such type of questions. You can enjoy this exercise. Like you can see second question. Ramesh deposited rupees 1,800 in a bank at the rate of 4% per annum. Find the simple interest after 5 years. So how you will do it? You will apply the formula SI equals P into R into T by 100. So what is P? P is 1,800, R is 4, time is 5 upon 100. We can cut these two zeros and then we can calculate the value, right? So like this you can try other questions. It's very easy and interesting. So now we are talking about amount. I told you principal, I told you about rate, I told you about time also, and amount I'm telling you now. Amount is the total money received at the end of the time period. जो बैंक हमें कुछ टाइम बाद total amount, total money देगा, means principal plus interest. It becomes amount. So formula to find amount is amount equals to principal plus interest. So for convenience, we write interest in place of simple interest and is abbreviated as I. आप इसको SI लिख दो, I लिख दो, both are correct. So now See one more example over here. Find the total amount if principal is rupees 3500 and interest is rupees 500. Now we have principal, now we have interest also. How we can find amount? Amount is the sum of principal and interest. So amount is 3500 plus 500, that is rupees 4000, right? Now example 2, find the interest and amount for 1 year. If principal is rupees 8500 and rate is 10% per annum. Now what is given? P is given, rate is given, time is given. So first we have to find the interest because we have to find the interest and amount both. So first find interest. Interest equals to P into R into T by 100. Just substitute the values. 0 zeros cancelled. So answer is rupees 850 is the interest, right? So how you can find amount? Amount is principal plus interest, 8500 plus 850. Just add these two numbers, you will get rupees 9350. Okay, so same exercise 12.2, it is based on such type of questions. You can try it and you can enjoy it. Now there is another concept for you. Calculating time and rate of interest using formula. Sometimes we don't know time or rate of interest. So how we can find it? Same formula you have to apply. So like just learn one formula. Simple interest equals to P into R into T by 100. So see how we can do it. Example is given here. In how many years will rupees 800 become rupees 944 at the rate of 6% per annum? 800 become rupees 944. So whenever we are saying this money become this money is more, it means this is what? This is amount. ये क्या बन जाएगा हमारा? Amount. And ये क्या है हमारा? Principal. So P is rupees 800, amount is rupees 944 and rate is 6% per annum. So how we can find amount? Amount is P plus interest. So first you can find interest from here because we know amount here and we know P. So what is missing? Interest is missing. तो इंटरेस्ट क्या होगा? दोनों का डिफरेंस. तो आप क्या कर देंगे? इंटरेस्ट इक्वल्स टू अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल, दैट इज रुपीज 144. अब यहाँ से इंटरेस्ट आ जाएगा. आपको फाइंड करना है टाइम. सो टाइम नाउ वी नो वेरी वेल. आई टोल्ड यू सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इक्वल्स टू, as I told you formula, interest equals to P into R into T by 100. If we have to find time, so what will be the formula? आप 100 को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे. I into 100, interest into 100 upon P into R. अगर आपको रेट फाइंड करना है तो it would be I into 100 upon P into T, right? So this one formula, you just learn one formula, इसकी हेल्प से आप बाकी वैल्यूज फाइंड कर सकते हैं. So time is interest into 100 upon P into R. We know the values. 144 into 100 upon 800 into 6. So what is the answer? Answer is 3 years, right? So it's very easy and interesting. You can try some more examples and questions. So like exercise 12.3 given here, there are some more questions. You can try these questions. Like third question you can see, Mr. Khurana borrowed rupees 750 from Sumit. He gave rupees 150 as interest. After 4 years, find the rate of interest per annum. So this borrowed money is P and this is interest. We know P, we know interest, and we know time also. What is missing here? Here rate is missing. So how we can find it? So I told you rate equals to interest into 100 upon P into T. Just substitute the value. Interest is 150 into 100 upon 750 into 4. So 0 0 cancel. 15 5s are 75. So 5 2s are 10 and 0 here. So 4 5s are 20. So answer is 5% per annum. So like this you can try other questions. These are very interesting and easy. You can do it. Okay. So now we have some MCQs over here. Like the first one, if principal is given and interest is given, then what is the amount? As I told you, amount is the sum of principal and interest. So 2000 plus 200, that is rupees 2200. C part is the answer, right? The second question, if principal is given 6000, rate is 6% and time is 2 years. So you can find the interest by using the formula. And now the third one, formula of simple interest is, what is the formula? I told you, P into R into P by 100, C part. So like this you can try many questions. So thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a good day. Goodbye.